Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the basic characteristic symptoms of miasm sora. First, we will discuss the symptoms of mind. In sora patient, you will find the hyposoric state which is manifested in mental sphere as result of hyporeasoning, which will exhibits in anxieties and all varieties of fears. Mentally, the person is quick and active, but physically prostrated easily. Thoughts and words overflow in the mind, indulgence to unnecessary objects and to build air castles. Anxiety on awakening in the morning or in full moon, approach of menses, anxiety of future, about health, about family matters and crowded places. Sometimes the patient is angry and irritable when offended. The sora patient easily frightened by trivial things, means he is frightened by very small things or small events which lead to tremblings, perspiration, fear of being alone, darkness, strangers, animals, fear of death and fear of future disease. Sora patient's memory is weak and he is absent-minded due to overcrowding of thoughts, easily vanishing of thoughts while reading or writing. The person is restless and never satisfied with things. Anxiety and fears produces restlessness, changeable mood and nervous, sad and depressed entity. The patient will feel darkness before eyes, which aggravates in morning and after slight exertion. So in this, the patient is not going to feel a typical kind of vertigo, but he will feel a kind of imbalance or a darkness before eyes whenever he is going to exert or whenever he is going to wake up in the morning. Fainting due to weakness. In head symptoms, the patient will mostly have a one-sided headache. Sensations are throbbing, pulsating, burning type of pain which comes suddenly and goes suddenly. The headache aggravates in morning from sunset to sunrise, on exertion, after fasting and heat of sun. Ameliorates by rest, pressure, cold application, natural discharges. Clinically, you can say the patient is going to suffer with the migraine and tension headache. In the scalp, the person is going to have diseases like dandruff, loss of hair, eruption on scalp. The patient will have premature grey hairs, split ends, and with hair fall of single hairs. In eye conditions, we will find the primary acute inflammations of eyes like conjunctivitis, retinitis, keratitis, burning pain, redness, sticking and stinging kind of sensation with all those diseases. Patient will have a lacrimation which is acrid, excoriating and very profuse. The person is worse by touch, light, cold and motion of eyes and better by heat and rubbing. In ears, we will have acute conditions like otitis media, otitis interna and tympanitis. In auditory canal, we will find the eruptions with dry and scaly scabs. The patient is very oversensitive to noise or he will feel a kind of obstructed or blockages in the ears. The patient will have burning and shooting kind of pain. In respiratory system, the patient is oversensitive to odors. Clinically, you can say the patient will suffer with acute rhinitis, sinusitis, bronchitis or all kind of acute inflammatory troubles. Discharges from respiratory tract are watery, acrid and profuse. In respiratory diseases, the patient will feel pain like stitching, burning kind and soreness in respiratory tract. Patient will have sneezing in morning by irritating factors, means any kind of odor or on touch of nose or touch of cloth, etc. Cough, irritative cough with slightest somewhat of exertion or slightest talking, slightest eating of any irritating material, the patient will have a coughing spells. Cough is mostly dry, occasionally profuse sputum, watery and acrid. Patient will have a dyspnea, which is not actual dyspnea, but he will have shortness of breath and because of weakness of organs. In gastrointestinal tract, patient will have a dryness of mouth, cracks and profuse salivation. Clinically, we can have a conditions like stomatitis and gingivitis. There is an all-gone sensation mostly in the morning. The greasy food aggravates although craved, prefers hot food. Craving for sweets, acids, sour things, weak all-gone sensations, hunger at night. In gastritis, patient will have a burning in stomach which is relieved by cold food and pressure. Vomiting mostly acrid, profuse and containing food particles. Constipation with hard stool, straining, alternates with diarrhea. Diarrhea with anxiety, diarrhea in morning with spasmodic contraction of abdominal muscles or rectum. Diarrhea after overeating with mucus stool. In clinically conditions, you will find inflammatory conditions of different organs. In cardiovascular system, there is a sensation of bend over or around the heart with anxiety and fear of death. Palpitation with anxiety and on slightest exertion. Hypertension, arthritis and phlebitis. Aggravation by slightest emotional disturbance, fear and exertion. In urinary system, we will find involuntary urination while coughing, sneezing and laughing. Enuresis is the most common condition. Smarting and burning during urination. Clinical conditions are urethritis, cystitis and nephritis. The characteristic of urine is clear, profuse and acrid. In extremities, the patient will suffer with a weakness of extremities. Joints easily dislocated with aching pain, aggravation from exertion, better from rest, pressure and heat. Muscles feels weak and that's why they will feel trembling in extremities with easily sprains. This kind of patients is going to suffer with an easy sprain on a slightest exertion. Patient is going to lift any slightest thing and then they will feel that the muscle is sprained very frequently. That's why the patient is having awkwardness in extremities and drops the things very easily. So because of weakness in joints and muscles, they will feel the physical awkwardness. In bones, they are weak, means you can say that there is a problem in calcium absorption and calcium resorption. So the formation of bone is weak. That's why they are easily fractured and also having a slow healing. Pain in extremities is pulsating and throbbing. Skin symptoms, the skin is dry, unhealthy looking skin. You will find discolored patches or discoloration of skin, very dry skin, shriveled kind of appearance with some kind of scabs or scales on the skin. Eruptions mostly vesicular type with acrid and watery discharges. A patient will suffer with a recurrent simple boils. Clinically, allergic dermatitis, urticaria, acne and boils are very common. Discharges are acrid, corrosive and very fluent. The skin itching and eruptions aggravates in morning, in cold temperature and after bathing. Sexual sphere in females, we will find amenorrhea, irregularities in menses. Menses are too copious or too scanty. They are also very early and also late. Having too long duration, sometimes the character of menses is much watery and connected with various bodily ailments. Okay, now why this kind of variations are there? Because the sura is related with a somewhat of hyperfunction and hypofunction. Okay, so the deficiency is going to create a two different pole of this particular kind of expression. So when you have a height of or so much deficiency in hormones and all that different organic functions, you will find there is a scanty menses. Okay, there are some long duration and kind of a late menstrual cycles, but also when there is a somewhat of a problem in certain hormonal changes, you will find very copious menses but having only a very liquid or a watery kind of flow. Dysmenorrhea shows itself very early at puberty and at climacteric. Pains are usually sharp but never colicky. The leukorrhea of various types. Patient will suffer inflammatory conditions of different organs. In male, nocturnal passing of semen is there, too frequent, 2 or 3 times a week or even every night. Semen passes off almost involuntarily in daytime with little excitation, often even without erection. The sleep is mostly disturbed, and as soon as the patient closes his eyes, they will have a fanatic or fantastic appearances and distorted faces. Okay, so because of anxiety and fearful nature, the person is going to suffer with this kind of feelings or expression. There is a loud talking, screaming during sleep, twitching of limbs on going to sleep, very vivid dreams as if awake or sad, frightful dreams, anxious dreams, vexatious dreams, and sometimes the patient will have lascivious dreams. Weariness early on awakening, unrefreshing sleep. Sleeplessness due to overthinking, making plan of next day. Okay, so because of overcrowded of thoughts, because of anxiety of future, because of fear of future task, they will constantly have a overcrowding of thoughts, which is going to have some disturbance in their sleep. Sora child. In soric phase, the children are quick to grasp what is being taught to them or even pick up facts from the world around them easily. They have an excellent memory for names, numbers, places, important dates and people they have met, etc. They remember minutest detail of not only the recent but also the past events. Their concentration levels and moral values are very high, suffer from acute sudden troubles and deficiency disorders. The child has a good photographic memory, recalling everything very distinctly as if it had just happened yesterday. Perceptions are clear, acute. Soric children have a lot of positive imagination and creativity, and these are the children who usually carry on their imaginations to reality and practicality. A child who is in soric phase is born much more healthy, positive and constructive than any other phases. These children are born to healthy parents and their growth and development milestones are usually normal. The sensitivity level of children belonging to this phase is high. Their reactions to any stimulus is quick and the input and output is relatively proportionate. Sora is both hypersensitive and hyperactive. These children love comfort and they develop attachment at both mental and physical levels. They are very lively and affectionate. Okay, friends, so this is very basic characteristic information regarding the Sora miasm. If you have any doubts or if you have any comments, you can write down on my blog or in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.